I've known Greg for about 8 years, and about 8 years ago, I saw him on a job site, and being my nosy self, I just went up and started asking him all kinds of questions, and he took time to actually step off the job and speak to me on a personal level and just explain what he was doing on a job site. And I asked him questions about different kind of things I'd like to have done to my house. Greg added an addition to the front of my house. We took the top of the garage off and extended the master bedroom, which allowed me to extend the master bedroom out a little more for room for us, as well as build an office on for me. The overall quality through the entire process was very much to my and my wife's satisfaction, especially towards the end when we got to see the final result of the exterior of the house and the interior of our new master bedroom and my office. Was very professionally done and very concise to our plan and our decision. I liked very much what Greg and my wife and I worked out throughout the entire plan. I believe that working with a smaller company, especially working with Greg and his team, was worked out very well for what my wife and I had in mind. I like to ask my questions to the individuals doing the work. He gives me the exact question or the answers back, or we can discuss it back and forth to make him happy and me happy and my wife happy. And it wasn't having to have him communicate or someone else communicate back to his supervisor and get the answer back the next day or something. So for us, for what we wanted done for our side of our project, it worked very well. All my concerns were addressed. I really didn't have that many concerns. Like I said, we did speak pretty much daily and discuss the project of the day, what we're going to have done and how far we'd go. And pretty much everything was addressed day by day, and I was satisfied by the work. My biggest concern was I had my porch put on, and I wanted to make sure my porch tied in to the front of the house and it looked like a natural flow instead of having just a chunk of my house put on a front of my house. And he gave us multiple ideas on how to take care of that, and we were very pleased with that. Really appreciated his crew, the very nice crew, to my family and to my kids. They were always very conscious about making sure that the job site was clean. The kids had room to walk around when they came home from school, and my family was safe at all times. Throughout the entire aspect of the project, we were very pleased with how he maintained the job site, how he did the quality of the work, how he kept us informed of what he was doing, and if there were any changes or modifications we had to have done. And the final overall outcome, my wife and I are very ecstatic with the work that we had done, and we are very pleased with our final outcome of our house, my office, my own private office now finally, and in addition to our bedroom.